Hello, entrepreneurs and aspiring vendors. If you're eager to become a registered vendor supplier in beautiful St. Lucie County, Florida using the powerful DemandStar vendor portal, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of becoming a vendor supplier in this vibrant county. Let's get started. To start, let's understand what the DemandStar vendor portal is. It's an online platform used by government agencies, including St. Lucie County, to connect with vendors for various procurement opportunities. Kickstart your journey by accessing the DemandStar vendor portal through the official St. Lucie County government website. You will automatically be redirected to DemandStar's website. Register as a vendor supplier by creating your account on the DemandStar portal. Start the registration process by clicking the Sign Up button once you're on the DemandStar's homepage. Create a basic plan account. Get started for free. Type in your email address and company name. Click on Create Your DemandStar account. Then log into your account with your new username and password. During the registration process, you'll likely be asked to specify your location or service area. Choose Port St. Lucie or enter the relevant geographical information. Type Port St. Lucie in the search by agency name, then select Florida for state and St. Lucie for county. Search for commodity codes and click Continue. What are commodity codes? Commodity codes are used to classify goods and services in government contracts. Click the Edit button to add your commodity codes. Select service your company provides from the commodity code list and click Submit, and your commodity codes are saved. In Section 3 of 4, you can choose your subscriptions. Depending on your preference, you can subscribe to all of Florida or parts of Florida, or to other counties and agencies. Depending on DemandStar's policies, you might need to provide payment information for registration fees or access to certain opportunities. Make sure you understand any associated costs. Provide your main contact information as well as company information to complete your profile. Finally, the certification section allows you to select any certification that your company holds. In the self-declaration section, declare yourself. Once your profile is set up, use the platform's search or filters to find opportunities specifically related to Port St. Lucie. These could include requests for proposals, RFPs, bids, and other contracting opportunities posted by local government agencies or organizations. When you find a relevant opportunity, follow the instructions provided to submit your bid or proposal. Be sure to adhere to any specific requirements outlined in the opportunity description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other entrepreneurs. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.